Hello, welcome back to my channel. It's been quite a while. Today I will be doing a refresher and an update on the Now Foods gelatin that I've been taking. So I'll be doing the review as I'm doing my refresher. In this old Boardman container is my mixture of fenugreek, rosemary, and lavender essential oil. So I'll start from the back portion and I'll file my nails with this in case I have any trips so that I don't snag my hair. Yes, if you've been following my video, I started using the Neocell protein powder. Then after a while, due to the COVID and all that, I couldn't continue, so I opted for the Now Foods gelatin powder, and it gave me the same results. So as you can see, my hair is way fuller, thicker, you can see, and it's actually quite longer now, thicker, way fuller. So here is the update. Let's open this. My face is fresher, skin is finer, hair is thicker, my edges are growing, as you can see. The edges are growing. One thing I noticed is it gave me, let me keep this part away so it doesn't disturb me. It gave me heartburn. I have acid reflux, and I noticed with the gelatin powder I was having episodes of heartburns. But if I take it quite early and I go about my daily activities, like do a lot of physically strenuous or physically engaging tasks, I don't have the heartburn. Now, my multifunction bottle, I noticed that it's bad, so I improvised with this Jamaican black castor oil container with this. Now, the disadvantage is this is not squeezable, so I have to wait for the oil to find its way to the tip, which is a longer process until I can get to buy another one. So as I was saying, okay, this is actually my refresher. I spray, then I apply the oil on my scalp. I'm going to divide this section into two because it was quite large to start with. This video is a refresher and then update, so I'm going to be moving between the two topics. That's how I refresh my hair and then update on the Now Foods gelatin powder. Okay, I don't want this soaking wet. This is just right for me. Then I apply the oil. I wash my hair when I feel the need to. I don't have I usually used to have a week to 2 weeks interval before I wash. But once I start feeling like dandruff, mostly when I feel dandruff is as a result of product overload. But with this living condition I'm using, if you don't see my last video, the living condition I'm using, it is very hydrating, so I don't really need to put much, and I have to do more protein deep conditioning because it's really hydrating. So that's what I was saying about the review. Now I noticed it triggered episodes of heartburn. That's one. Then I couldn't find it again where I reside, and of course getting Neocell is out of the question because Neocell is triple the price now in the place I reside. I stay in Nigeria. For those who might be wondering, I'm a Nigerian living in Nigeria. Neocell became freaking expensive. I did not see the need for living above my means. It doesn't make sense. If I have a good alternative, why would I go for Neocell? So I have a telemarketer that I buy from. This is not a sponsored ad, please. This is just me being completely honest, being myself. I buy my products from my supplements from Kinky and Wellness Tad. She's a good friend of mine, so she gave me the concession of buying and paying later. Thank you, girl. So buying, paying part, and balancing later. Not that I didn't pay at all. So kudos to her for that. I'm a teacher, and since February, I'm a part-time teacher, music teacher. Since February, we've not really had schools opening because of the COVID, because I had an accident, automobile accident. So fast forward, I used to buy from her a lot without owing a dime, but she was very understanding and came to my rescue. So I had to get MSM Happy Body sulfur. That MSM is no other MSM's mate. I've used Doctor's Best and I did not like it at all. So no matter the raven is, I did not see any difference. Nothing at all. So I couldn't find the Now Foods. Forgot to oil my scalp. I couldn't find the Now Foods gelatin powder again. This takes a long time to get to the tip. I couldn't find the Now Foods gelatin powder again. This is one thing I don't do. I don't massage my scalp. I don't have time for that. Okay, I couldn't find the Now Foods gelatin powder again, and I have a blessed opportunity to get Happy Body MSM. So I took the advantage, paid her in part to be completed later, and I got my crystal sulfur MSM by Happy Body and vitamin C. I can't remember the make of the vitamin C. I rave over the sulfur because it still takes a long time because it's not squeezy. It's a bottle. I couldn't I will always remember the name of the sulfur because it gave me amazing results. It works almost immediately. Though it's been long, I took the Happy Body. When I say long, about a month or maybe 2 months since I last used it. I started with a scoop, no, 2 scoops, and I had headache. That's that my body had forgotten about adapted to that quantity, so I had to go back to reducing it. And as I was adjusting again, I increased it by 1 teaspoon. So right now I still only take 2. I do not take it morning and night because I'm minding it seriously. So that is it about the Now Foods and refreshing my hair. I'm still refreshing my hair. About the Now Foods gelatin powder. For those of you who have not seen the first video on the review, I take it with my tea, my green tea or coffee, or in my smoothie, That's how I take it. Gosh, I want to get another bottle. I'll have to improvise until I can get, but this thing takes so long. It's just a long time. Now, when I use the Now Foods gelatin powder, I saw amazing results faster than even taking the Neocell collagen. For real. Have I done this one? Yes, I have. It feels so funny. Yes, faster than the Neocell collagen. You can see the henna I applied on my grey. It caught on the grey bit. And it helps my edges. This updates also on my oil, my DIY oil. You can see my edges are coming back. Yes, so that is basically it. What I'm doing is just refreshing my hair. I spray not soak it wet, spray my hair and spray the scalp as well. Apply the oil on my scalp, seal the moisture that I sprayed on my hair with my DIY oil, and put it back into a low manipulation protective style. That's about it. And then I'm careful about the taking down. You can see the length from this. I can't wait for my growing your hair at 40. When you're over 40, can be a serious task. Okay. It doesn't look like I have hair. If you're looking at the front, if it's like this, you think I cut my hair. Density, my hair density, I have medium density. This freaking bottle makes it so hard to get oil on my scalp. I think I'll do myself a favor by just, I can't remove it. Let me just leave it like that. It takes such a long time for the oil to get to the tip because it's not a squeezy bottle. If it was a squeezy bottle, I'll just squeeze the body of the bottle. Oh, and I don't really massage my scalp. I don't have time for that. Imagine 5 minutes to massage my scalp or 10 minutes. Oh, what is the time? I have to be more disciplined if I want my hair to grow long, because that's the aim. Growing your hair after 40. Compared to some other hair types, my shrinkage is not that bad. Just that once water touches this hair, the shrinkage is annoying. So that is it. If you have any comments or question, I would like to hear from you. Have you used the Now Foods gelatin powder? How did it work for you? Please let me know. And if you haven't yet subscribed, hit the notification bell today to see updates on me growing my hair at over 40. So till we see again. Bye.